Want your fill-out forms to look more professional and match your brand? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize fill-out forms step by step. We'll cover changing the design, updating colors and fonts, editing layouts, and making your forms more user-friendly. Start by signing into your Fillout account and opening the form you'd like to customize. From your dashboard, simply select the form to launch the editor. Begin by updating your form title and description. Give your form a clear name that explains its purpose, and add a short description so respondents know exactly what to expect before they begin. Next, open the design or theme settings. Here you can customize colors, fonts, button styles, backgrounds, and other visual elements that are available in your current plan. Choose colors that match your brand while keeping the form easy to read. Now review each question in your form. Update labels, placeholder text, help messages, and required fields where necessary. You can also rearrange questions into a more logical order by dragging and dropping them. If your plan supports branding features, so you can upload your company logo, add a custom banner, or apply other branding options. These small changes help create a more professional experience and make your forms instantly recognizable. Before publishing, preview your form to see exactly how it will appear to respondents. Test the design on both desktop and mobile views if available, then save your changes once you're happy with the final result. And that's it. You've successfully customized your fill-out form. With just a few adjustments, you can make your forms look more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.